Welcome everyone to our mentorship for June 12th for e-economy. My name is Luis Leal, also known as PapaForex. And for all you guys that don't know me, I have 29 years experience in the Forex market. I'm also a hedge fund trade master trader. And I am here at e-economy for the last year and a half teaching people how to use Manara. I focus on the newbies, on the people, the new people. Of my strategies are very simple, and if you are an experienced trader, then they're gonna work for you. Also, you're gonna love them. They're very simple. They're very easy. I focus a lot on showing you or giving you all the tools that you need to become a profitable trader in the least time possible. So I can tell you that there's hundreds of students that have become profitable traders through e-economy in this academy through the ECA Academy on e-economy. So if you're looking for that, if that is your goal, you are in the right place. Last year, we made close to 100% return on our investment. If you are not following me on my Telegram channel, then you need to do so. And I will let you know by the end of this video. Before the end of the video, I will let you know how you can get into the group, the Telegram group, so you can receive my signals every day. And so you can have the exact same results that I have. And to start, today I'm going to teach you a technique that I use on Manara that is very simple. But before that, I want to show you what we did on class yesterday. We had a live signal and it went very nice to TP2 that I want to show you. And then we're going to go through the same strategy for you to apply it today. Why? Because it's very, very simple and you're going to love it. Let me share my Manara screen. Let me know in the chat room if you can see my Manara screen. If you are new, also let me know in the chat room that you are new. If this is your first class, let me know on the chat room. So everybody can see, okay, yes, they can see my Manara screen. Okay, perfect. So this was yesterday's signal. This was the entry point right here. I'm going to explain to you why. And this is the stop loss. This is take profit one, and this is take profit two. So this right here are the parameters that I sent on the Telegram group. See, I always sent you, of course, the pair. What type of order is it? They're always pending orders, okay? They're always pending orders. So you have PE, it's entry price, TP1, TP2, and the stop loss. And also, on the side of the stop loss, you will see on parentheses a minus number. That means that is the amount of pips for the stop loss, because you will need all this information to calculate your lot size. Okay, so what happened with this trade? So the market came down and then it went up. It hit our TP1 and then it came down again and then boom, hit our TP2. Now, I want you to learn, and it's in English already, the 60-40 strategy that I have for the trade okay, the trade management. So 60-40 means that because I give you to take profits, so you're going to place two entries. And on your first entry, you are going to risk 60% of whatever you wanted to risk originally. Let's say that you want to risk 1% per trade. Then on the first trade that I sent you, you're going to risk 60% of that 1%. That equals 0.60%. And on the second trade, you're going to risk 0.4%. And I'm going to explain to you why this works for us, especially the ones that are receiving signals late at night that are going to sleep. This is perfect for you to apply it. That way you can go to bed and don't worry about the stop loss or anything about it. So yesterday was the second trade of the week that was positive. Right now we are 2.8% profitable positive for this week. So hopefully let's try to close at a 5%. I'll try to close at 5% profit this week. So now let me explain to you how the strategy works. First of all, how you're going to set up your Manara. Very simple. You go up here, it says notification, click on there, then you go to settings, and you are going to select M15, pattern BAT, pattern type bullish and bearish, and the harmonic pattern status. It is very important that you select C point and uncheck V point. Okay, we're working only with C point. And then if you go to watch list, you're going to select Forex Major. That's all. That's all you're going to select. You don't worry about monitor, don't worry about chart, don't worry about the rest. This is all the setup that you need to do for Manara. Now, these are the notifications that you're going to receive. The one on the top, if the latest one. Now, these are notifications. It doesn't mean you're going to enter the market with these parameters. Okay, so these are notifications that you need to apply a strategy, the strategy that I'm going to explain to you now. So let's click on the last one, GBP USD. So in order to finish setting up Manara, we need to add 3 indicators. So the indicators are added right here. This 1, 2, 3. The fourth icon from right to left, it says right there, indicators. Click on it, and you're going to add the super trend. Click on it, and then come back again, and you're gonna put EMA. It's moving average exponential right here. Click twice on it. Click 2 times, okay? And then after you do that, you're gonna see this. First, you're gonna see this line that is the super trend, but you still need to configure it. So here on the top left, and don't worry if I'm going too fast for you, because this video is being recorded and you can see it in about 2 hours. It will be uploaded to the Telegram group. Now, here on super trend, you click on the middle button that says format, and then on inputs, you're going to put 14 and 4. And the style is going to be green and red. That's all. That's nothing else to move on the super trend. And as you can see, I love this indicator because it tells you the trend on this particular time frame. You see, when it's green, it means that the probability that the price goes up is higher. When it's red, the probability that the price goes down is higher. Remember that we are dealing with probabilities, not certainty. This is Forex is not exact science. So sometimes it's gonna tell you like here, super trend is green. It's saying that the probability that it will go up is higher, but it's not. It's coming down. Okay, so that is normal. We work with probabilities. That's why we apply a risk management. In Forex, risk management, it is the most important part of Forex. So you have to see the video on risk management that it's in the academy. for you to learn about this concept. Okay, now once you set up super trend, then you go back again for the EMAs, the middle button, and then on the first one you're going to put 20, close, 0, and then the style, make it blue. Okay, and then you click OK, and this is what you're going to see there. That line is going to appear. And then for the second one, you're going to put on inputs, you're going to type in 50, close, and 0, and the style is going to be red. Click on OK, and then there you go. You have the two EMAs, the blue and the red, and then you have the super trend, which changes color from red to green to red. And that's it. It's all set up. So when you do this one time, then you need to do it again. If you come back, if you close it, if you close Manara, you come back later or tomorrow, the next day, the information, the parameters, all the setup is going to be there. Okay? Now, let's start again. Now, the first notification or the latest one is the one on top. You click on it, and this is the first thing is going to appear. So the step number one that I do is I clean the chart. So it means that I see this on the right, this information, we don't need it. So in order to clean that, I click, or you're gonna click the second icon from right to left, this one, click on it, and then click here where it says hide. And you see, it cleans everything. Pero, yes, second one, it's a 50. So, and that's it. It's clean, it's closed. Now, see this strategy, what we are looking for on the harmonic pattern, this is the harmonic pattern that Manara scans for us. There are 2 points that are very important for us. It's point A and point B. As you can see, here's an X, A, B, C, D. So you need to find point A and point B and put a horizontal ray. Where do you find the horizontal ray? Right here. The second option, right here, the second option, you click there's a small arrow right here, click on it, and then here it says horizontal ray. Check the start right here, so you can have it here on your favorite toolbars, okay? So I'm going to select it right here, and then put it on point A, here's point A, and here's point B. So the first thing that we want to find out is that point A, first you read the super trend. Super trend is red. It means super trend is saying to us preferable to go down, to sell. So you want point A and point B to be below the super trend, both. Sometimes you have point A here and point B on top of the super trend. So if we're going down, you want point A and point B to be below the super trend. If we're going up, you want point A and point B to be above the super trend, and the super trend should be green. We're going to see another example on that. So the first thing is check super trend, where it's telling us it wants to go. The trend is saying to go down. We have second step, we have point A and B below the super trend. Great. Now the third thing you need to check is that the blue line has already crossed down the red line. So you see how here, oh, this was a beautiful uptrend. Ooh, wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You see here how the price, the blue line crossed up, and this is nice because look at the super trend, it's green. So because we want to go down, we want to see something like this. Look, like this. You see, crossing blue, crossing the red down. Okay, that's what we're looking for. But on this particular example, you can see that the blue hasn't crossed the red yet. So for me, this is not a valid entry yet, okay? So we are looking, because we want to go down, this point B is going to be our entry point, but it will only be our entry point if the line, the blue line crosses the red line down, okay? So we need to wait on this one. So let's check another one. Notification, the prior one was USD CAD. Now let's see how it looks. Step number one, I clean the chart. Ooh. Oh, can grab it. Hold on. There we go. Clean it up. Then you can see super trend is green. Now let's check where's point A and point B. Here's point A right here, and point B is right here. So you see that both are above the super trend. So that's good. Now, as you can see here, the blue line already crossed the red one up. So this was a valid entry. Too bad. We arrived late to this entry. But you see, normally the entry will be here. This was 3 pips ago. Probably it was 15 minutes ago. This could have been a good entry 15 minutes ago. But it's okay. You know why? Because there's going to be 20 entries throughout the day. Don't get desperate to go into the market. Oh, I'm going to lose this entry. Forget about it. It was not meant for you or for me. Okay? It doesn't matter. One of the ingredients for being a successful trader is to have peace of mind. Okay? Don't let the FOMO, the fear of missing out, mess with your mind, with your mindset. Okay? This could also do a retracement. It could do a retracement. And then if it comes to this area, then we can place an entry, a buy stop. Okay? So we're gonna be monitoring this trade, see what happens. Now let's go check another one. USD CAD. The previous one was also USD CAD. And I want to explain to you this. When you have a two notifications from the same pair, you should analyze the last one. Analyze the last one, okay? If another USD CAD notification arrive right now, then the last one, that will be the one that I pay attention to, okay? So I'm telling you that because we already selected USD CAD. I'm not going to select this one because we already analyzed the last one. Now let's go to GBP Let's see what we have here. So step number one, we hide, we clean it, then we see where's point A and point B. In regards to the super trend, see the super trend, it's green. So point A and point B are above the super trend. So that's good. That's good. Now we need the blue line to cross the red line right here. That happened right here, right there. So that this is a valid entry for later. How? Well, always the entry, it will be either point A or point B. In this case, because we're going up, then the entry is point A. And then we go, actually, you know what? I'm going to do this drawing on the USD CAD. Why? Because there could be a potential retracement that we could enter this trade. So I'm going to start marking this trade. And if it doesn't do a retracement, it's okay. we'll get another one. So here the entry point part is going to be point B right there. The stop loss is going to be point A. You see, it's very easy to see where your entries, where your parameters are. And then the first, let's see, let me grab the correct number. 137.24.7. Let me see. 27.37, 24.7 right there. And then the stop loss is 37.148. 148. And then the profit 121. Okay, that will be the first entry. Now let's mark the second one, and then I'm going to explain to you how you're going to do that. This is the same thing. 37.148, 37.247, and this will be, let me make this smaller, and then we're going to do a 1 to 2, 1 to 2. There we go. See, those are going to be our entry points. As a matter of fact, I'm going to write them down right here for you to have it handy. So this could be a buy limit of a USD CAD, and the EP, which is the entry point, is going to be 1.37247. TP1 is going to be 137.346. TP2 is going to be 1.37445, and the stop loss is going to be 1.37148 with minus 9.9 pips of stop loss. SL stop loss. There we go. So that's all the parameters that you need to place a trade. So now talking about the 60-40, why I do two trades. Remember I said to you, let's say that you want to risk $100 on this trade. So 60% of $100 is $60, right? Let's put here 60. And then 40% of 100, this will be $40. So if you add 60 and 40, well, that's 100. Remember we said, okay, because you need to make a decision how much you want to risk. So in this example, it's $100. If I lose the two trades, then I lose $100. I know exactly what is the most that I'm going to lose in case I lose, because you need to know where your numbers are, right? So what happened if I win the first one? Because this is a 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. As you can see, the red part, it's the same size as the green part. That means risk reward ratio 1-to-1, means whatever you invest, you make the same. So if you're risking $60, then if we win this trade, we make $60. And this one, it's a risk to reward 1-to-2. You can see that the green part, it's twice as big as the red part, right? So that means that if we win this trade right here, we're going to make $80. So remember, this strategy or the way of managing this trade is for those that are sleeping at the time when you're trading. So what happened if you win the first one? Then you make $60. What happened if you lose the second one? If you lose the second one, you lose $40. So that means that 60 that you made on the first one minus 40 that you lost on the second one, you are positive with $20. Okay, without moving the stop loss. Because if you're new, maybe you still don't know that normally when you are making some profit, you move your stop loss, you move it to your entry point. So you protect your profit. You are protecting yourself in case there is a retracement, then you don't lose, you break even. So, but this, the way that I set this up is that you don't need to move your stop loss, okay? As long as you win the first trade, then you're not going to lose money even if you lose the second trade, okay? So this is very good if you're taking a trade at 10 at night, 9, you need to go to bed. And if you don't apply this 60/40, then you can't sleep. You're going to sleep with one eye open and you're not going to rest. And we don't want that. I want you to trade. I want these to be fun for you and make money, of course. And if you apply this, it's going to be very comfortable for you to start trading in relax mode. Okay. So what's going to happen here? So if the price does a retracement right here, retracement, then it's going to activate the trade. Okay. It's going to activate the trade, and then what we want is that the price goes up. Okay. Vero is asking, I don't need to move the stop loss to break even. I mean, if you want to do it, but you don't have to worry about it. I don't do it. I don't move it. I'm only hoping that it hits TP1. And if it hits TP1, I know I'll be profitable for this trade. I don't move the stop loss. I just go to bed and that's it. I check it out in the morning. Of course, when I take a trade very late at night. Okay, and that's what I recommend for you. So I'm gonna put this trade on the Telegram group. But before I do that, I want to tell you how you can join. First of all, if there's someone that is not on my Telegram group, let me know right here on the chat. And if you are someone looking at this video in another time, in YouTube, for example, I just want to make this clear that this video is for e-economy members. If you want to join my Telegram group, you can. You have to be part of e-economy. You have to find someone that can invite you to this academy. And if you don't have someone, just send me a message. I will help you out with that. So let me go to my back office. I'm going to share my back office in a second so I can tell you I am not part of the Telegram. Okay, perfect, David. So let me load my screen so I can share share it also. It's very simple. And there's more group. It's not only my group. There's like 5 or 6 groups in Telegram. You have to be in those groups. Yes, I'm not part of your okay, Jay. Okay, now let me share. Let me share my screen. Now let me know if you're looking at my e-economy back office. Let me know if you can see it. Okay, Jay. I'll let you know how it is. David also. Okay. So here to the left it says Forex. Then go to Manara. And then you're going to see here Manara Espanol. As a matter of fact, you say Manara bilingual, right? Click on it. And then it's going to take you, it says Manara Espanol with Luis Leal. If you go down right here, it says Telegram link right here. Click on it and it's just going to take you to the group. If it gives you an error message, then you need to click here where it says fix the issue. so I can give you a fresh link. And then once you click fix the issue, then click again Telegram link. Okay? If it doesn't give you access, do it again. I mean, do it 2 or 3 times if it's giving you an error. It's normal. Okay? And right here to the right, this is support chat group or support chat for for support. You can click on it and tell them you cannot join. But I don't think it's going to happen. But if it does, now you know how to resolve it. So that's it. Now, what you are going to see on that group, let me show you. Let me load my Telegram link. I mean, my Telegram group. And let me share the Telegram. Oh, where is it? Montana, Telegram. Okay, let me know if you're looking at my, where is it? I think it's this one. Hold on. Manara, where's Manara? Here we go. This is the Telegram group. You know, we have 9,500 students making money. And here on top, this is the way you're gonna see. This is the video from yesterday. Guys, the video is, this one's in Spanish. So Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday, three times a week, it's in Spanish, and Wednesday in English. So you will see, for example, this is the last signal that I sent. You see the format, it exactly how I put it on the other, on Manara. And then I'm always going to send you a picture so you can see exactly why I'm sending you this trade signal. And because you're in this class, now you will know. When you see this picture, you're going to be able to analyze it. And later, you're not going to need me. You're going to be able to do your own analysis, applying this strategy, of course. And what else? What else? You see, we hit TP2, we hit TP1, we hit TP2. This is 4 trades for this week, 2.80% profit, because I always risk 1% per trade. So we're 2.8% profit to up to now, up to now. So that's basically the let me see. Let's go back to Manara. That was the Telegram group. And what else? That's it, guys. We're gonna finish the mentorship right now, and then I'm going to send this signal. I'm going to put it on the Telegram group, and we just need to wait for a retracement. What will happen? What can happen if there's no retracement? Let's say that the price from here, it just keeps going up. Well, nothing's going to happen. We're just going to cancel. We will cancel that trade. It doesn't matter. And we'll wait for the next one. And I'll send it to you. Okay? It's so simple. It's so simple. No worries. Okay? So I'm going to send it to the group. I will see you next Wednesday. In this video, I'm going to upload it also to the Telegram group. Don't forget that we have a new system that is called Solix. It's an app that you can download on your telephone, and you can receive the signals there also. Okay, so if you don't know how to do this, contact your sponsor, your leader for the network marketing side, so they can tell you how to do it. Okay, it's a pleasure to be here, guys. I love teaching. I love sharing this strategy, these simple strategies. And I hope to see you next Wednesday. And I hope you can invite more people that speak English so they can take advantage of this information. Okay? Don't forget to go to my YouTube channel. There's almost 200 videos there about strategies and and everything about Forex. Okay, contact me. I will answer any of your questions. I might take a little bit time because you can imagine there's a lot of people that send me their questions, right? But I will answer once I get to your message. So blessings to everyone, and I will see you next Wednesday. Take care, guys.